In this video, I'll show you how to add a delay step in Zapier. First, sign into your Zapier account and click Create, then select Zap to open your automation. Set up your trigger and any actions that should happen before the delay. Next, click the plus button to add a new step. Search for Delay by Zapier and select it. This built-in app lets you pause your workflow before the next action runs. Now, choose the type of delay you want to use. You can delay your Zap for a specific amount of time, until a certain date and time, or until a particular day of the week or month, depending on your workflow. After that, enter the delay settings and click Continue. Then, click Test Step to make sure the delay is configured correctly. Once the test is complete, add the next action in your Zap and publish the automation. Your Zap will now wait for the amount of time you specified before continuing to the next step. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a delay step in Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.